How to turn on Safe Search in Google Chrome. So to do this, you need to open up the Chrome browser, click on the three dots in the right corner, scroll down to Settings, look for Privacy and Security, scroll down to where it says Safe Browsing, make sure the middle one, Standard Protection, is selected, then go back, scroll down to Use Secure DNS, click on that. Choose another provider, select that, and where it says customized in the drop down menu, pick clean browsing family filter. And that will be Safe Search now turned on in Google Chrome.